Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sanford Khan, business author and speaker. Let's get to the point. What's the universal truth according to Marcus Aurelius? Marcus Aurelius was a Roman dictator. As dictators go, he was actually a fairly decent person. What is the universal truth? Marcus Aurelius said the only truth in the universe is action. Not words, but action. Look at, we live, work, and try to make a good life in an economic, political, and social environment governed by turbulence and chaos. How do you do it? How do you do it? How do you grow and prosper? The way to do it, you have to break from the herd, the mass herd of humanity that I sometimes put in my postings. You have to break. You can't think like them. You have to be a free and independent thinker. That's why I wrote this book for you. Look at it. It's called The Rogue Meister's Guide to Free Thinking. It's easy to read. There's over 150 postings in here. Each posting could be read in maybe 1 minute. I think the longest one is probably 2 minutes. I strongly suggest you get it, be a free thinker, and break from the herd. Don't run with the herd and breathe their dust. Be a free thinker, an independent thinker. You could get it on Amazon, either in paperback, printed, which is what this is, or an ebook. It's very affordable. All you have to do is put in the title, A Rogue Meister's Guide to Free Thinking. Just freeze the frame and you could just copy it and put it into Amazon. That's how you get ahead. You got to be a free thinker, ladies and gentlemen. You got to be a free thinker. This book is for you. It's designed to free your spirit and your mind. One other thing, I appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you again. Best of luck, and may you prosper. Bye now.